Okay, Fred from the Laptop Barn here. Today's video, we are going to change the screen on a Dell Latitude E6530 laptop. This particular laptop that we're looking at has a broken screen, as you can see from the picture. So, we're going to assume that you have purchased a new screen. And typical way to buy that is in a cell. And you may or may not have the rail that goes around the cell. You can see the rail there. Okay, now, first step. You want to take off the plastic bezel that goes around the screen. You can see it just get in there with your, no tool required, just pops right off. Get in there with your fingers and work your way around. So that's what it looks like now. So, the old screen, you'll see, has got a couple of screws, 4 screws total. So you're going to take off those 4 screws. Actually, there's 6. I miscounted. Okay, 6 screws that hold in the frame. So you remove those 6. And the cell with its holding frame is going to come right out. It's held on electrically with a connector on the back that you release the mechanism on and just carefully pull that out. Slides right out. Now you've got the old cell and bracket assembly in your hand. Now, assuming that what you bought had a bracket on it, then all you got to do is reverse this process. In some cases, in fact many cases, when you buy these on eBay or other places on the internet, you'll get just the cell. So what you have to do is take this bracket off, which is held by 2 screws on each end, just a metal bracket. We have one here that actually a replacement that already has a bracket on it. So all we're going to do now is reconnect the electrical connection on the back, plugs in, sticks on, and now we're going to slide the mechanism back in place. Take those 6 screws that we just took out and reassemble the screen and bracket assembly to the laptop. Pretty straightforward as long as you got the right replacement piece and your bracket is the same bracket. Again, in many cases you're just buying a cell and you'd use your old bracket so you know it's going to fit. So okay, you put those in. Now take that first plastic trim piece that we took off first, set it into place, and you see how it snaps on. Just push it all the way around. It snaps on. And there you go. Just like downtown, it's back together. You power this baby up. And lo and behold, you got a brand new screen. Pretty quick. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, ask them down below. If not, hopefully you like this video. Hit the like button. And we could use subscribers, so click that subscribe button and you'll see the next video. You'll get an email when we put a new video out. Thanks again, Fred from the Laptop Barn. Over and out.